If you are juicing and tossing the pulp, pause. Let me show you a snack that your gut and your cravings will love. These Beet Energy balls are vibrant, fiber-rich, and they take less than 10 minutes to prep. And the best part, no baking, no waste, and all the glow. Here's what you'll need. 1 cup fresh beet pulp, a half cup rolled oats or almond flour, 1/4 cup shredded coconut, 2 tablespoons nut butter, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 to 2 tablespoons maple syrup or dates, a dash of cinnamon, sea salt, optional vanilla, cacao nibs, or chopped walnuts for crunch. Beet pulp adds fiber, color, and minerals. Chia gives you omega-3s, oats, almond flour help bind, and the nut butter keeps you satisfied longer. It's a balanced snack. It hits the sweet tooth without the crash, without the regrets. Just mix everything together in the food processor. It feels too dry, add more nut butter or maple sticky. A sprinkle of oats will fix it. Once it's all mixed, roll them into the balls, pop them in the refrigerator for about 15 to 20 minutes. That is it. I like to keep them in the fridge for an easy post-workout snack or late night nibble. And yeah, they taste even better the next day. You can also freeze them and put them in your smoothie. These are high vibe snacks. They make the most of your juicing game. No waste, no weird ingredients, just plant powered goodness. And yes, this recipe is inside my 7-day detox challenge, along with over 20 more juicy ideas just like this. Do you want in? Click below, grab your bundle, and start glowing.
What's that? Brother,
Ooh, baby, do you know what that's worth?
brother.